In between Shots and Brothers.
Isa lang. Ay, dalawa, pangalawa ngayon.
Naagaw. Unang possession ng Brothers. 2 points for Esbera.
Bagang!
Mategas! 3 to 2. Lamang ng isang shots. Ito si Betia. Montillano. Espera. 12 to shoot. Queen. In and out. No. Tatlong hari. Ito na si Horario. Gaitan. 12 to shoot. Ferrer. Long. Rebound Montillano. Queen, no. Rebound number 21, 2 points. Basket was a foul on number 11, Horario. That is his first personal foul.
First
team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to Satin. Makes the 3-point play. 5 to 3. Lamang naman ng dalawa na ang Brothers. On the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Gaitan. Napasang-pasa. Ito si Betia. Betia, no. Put back 2 points to Logan. Betia gets the rebound. Nilabet. Good defense by Gaitan. Ito si Gaitan. Lipat sa buwan ni Montillano. Sa team. Napasang-pasa. Ito na si Gaitan. Gaitan. Matigas, 2 points. 5 all. 8 minutes. Exactly in the first. Sapi naghanap ng papasahan. Kui. 13 to shoot. Basket good for Kui. 7 to 5. Balik sa dalawa mula mga Brothers.
Laki eh.
Kapatid ko yun isa.
Horario.
Malaki pa yun dyan kuya.
Horario!
11.
8 to 7. Balik ng laban. Sa shots. Isa. 8 to 7. 15 to shoot. Sa gitna. Sa team. Basket is good. 9 to 8. We have a seesaw battle. Lamang naman ng isa ang Brothers. 14 on the shot clock. Gaitan. Matignas. Horario. Lapit ang net for Horario. 10 to 9. Balik ka naman sa shots.
Yung last game yung Brothers. Ay ano.
Titans, tsaka Panther.
Sakit.
Foul.
There's a foul on number 4, Tatlong Hari. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Two free throws for number 24, Satin. Short on the second, rebound Tatlong Hari. Gaitan. Same ball. With 20 seconds on the shot clock. Gaitan. 15 to shoot.
Patay. Bam!
13 to 10. Tatlo lamang ang shots. Sakit.
Ang laki na no?
But there's a holding foul on number 43, Gaitan. Gaitan, that is his first personal foul, third team foul. Kui muscles his way. Relax. Offensive rebound. Betia. 4 to shoot. 2 to shoot.
14 yun, nag-14 yun.
14 na, bossy. Nag-14 na.
14 nga yun to. Hinabol niya, 8 seconds na lang.
Tatlong hari. Getia. Turnover. Gaitan Tomatikas.
Bang!
16 to 10.
Nakarada yan.
Saan yung kalalaman na ng shots?
Pag napulsuhan.
Kui recovers. Basket is good for Kui. 16-12.
6 player.
Gaitan. Gaitan. Topere. Lock. Patinas. Horario. Rebound Kui. Kui. High pass. 2-on-1. Tatlong hari. Pere. Tatlong hari. Over from the shot. Basket is good. Good ball. Chase wins.
88 first.
Foul on number 88, Betia. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 4, Tatlong Hari. Patakin po ng jersey.
Yan na yan. Lalaglag na rin natin sila.
Tatlong Hari who makes the three-point play. Substitution. Official score 19-12.
Junay Titans. Junay Titans. High Titans. Panthers.
25 in the first.
Buti pa yung nagdadalang tubig.
Rebound number 21. But there is a holding foul
24.
on number 24, Balocos. Balocos, that is his first personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 free throws for number 21, Vicente. Makes the second for Vicente. 19-13, our official tally. 4 minutes and 12 remaining in our first. 15 to shoot.
Nasa kalbo dito ah.
10 to shoot.
Nasa kalbo na yan.
Ha?
Kalbo.
Sino kalbo?
Maliit.
4 to shoot.
Nakainita ng churba.
Ah! Good!
Ito na si Serafico.
Ano?
Serafico.
Yung mabilis.
Tumama 2 points. 19-15. Baba sa apat ang hinahabol ng Brothers. Ito si Del Carmen. Over to Balocos. Back pass. Serafico. Back pass. Turnover. Number 5. Del Rosario. Back shot is good for Del Rosario. 21-15. Balik sa anim ang kalamangan. Ito si Lazarte. Bring it down the basketball. Marticel. Service the floor.
Marami high sacks na, no? High sacks na high sacks.
Vicente. Makabat. No.
Lipad na rin eh.
Red ball. Balocos.
Pulang-pula din ah. Pulang-pula.
Ang green.
Del Carmen with 15 seconds on the shot clock.
Medyas
Del
pula.
Rosario.
Patis pula. Jersey pula. Kompleto na.
Ano?
Rebound Lazarte.
Alam pala eh, no?
Libas. Valdezel. baba sa apat. 2 minutes and 24. 14 on the shot clock.
Basket.
Air ball.
Wala hangin eh.
Lasarte. Malobos. Block by Serafico. Eto si Valdiser. 4-on-2. Vicente, Serafico, lays up. No. Same ball with 14 seconds on the shot clock. Vicente, Serafico. Good defense. But there is a foul caught on number 8. That is his first personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 14, Serafico. In and out for the first for Serafico. In and out on the second as well. He gets the miss. Serafico. No. Rebound Vicente. Valdiser.
Bam!
Valdiser. 3! 21-20. Baba sa isang out of the Brothers. Under a minute remaining. In the first. Sa gitna. But there is a foul.
Number one.
Number 1.
First.
Lazate, that is his first personal foul, second team foul. $14 on the shot clock. Back shot. Same basketball with 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Bago, Valdiser. Valdiser. Go. But there is a foul on number 8, Del Carmen. That is his second personal foul, penalty. 2 free throws for number 22, Valdiser.
Sorbol pa rin ah.
Good on the first for Valdiser.
Running time. Kahit free throw.
Saan?
T1BL.
Kahit free throw?
2 out of 2 for Valdiser.
Hindi nagreklamo yung player.
22 to 21, lamang na ng isang Brothers. 25 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot.
Nag-ahabol kami, putang ina niya. Running time. Champions matapos eh. Napadali.
10 to shoot.
Kahit.
Basket is good for number 11 or 17 rather. 11. 23-22, 5 to shoot. Valdiser. End of the first quarter. Official score is 23 to 22 in
Dikit
favor
lang
of
ah.
shots.
Dikit lang ah. Gulo kanina ang putik na yan. Pagod tayo. Dito po sa Jami, ka Jami. Tuloy ka, basta. Toy, pili ka na Toy.
Start of the second quarter.
Yun yung 31 no. Malakas maglaro yung 31 na yun eh.
Dakin!
Kaya mo na yan.
Karep!
Okay na yan, okay na yan. Kaya mo na yan.
Gaitan. Watignas. Back to Gaitan. Horario. 10 to shoot. Gaitan. Rebound number 92. Ligas, tabang sa game. Gaitan. Watignas. Kumukol.
Wow! Yan yun, apat?
26 to
Apat tayo.
22.
Apat na tres na, no?
Ang shots. Horario rebound. Sa ilalim, Gaitan all alone. Rebound ni Montiliano. Espera. Fires. Number 31. Queen. Espera. Rebound. Number 31. 2 points. 26 to 24. Baba sa dalawa. Escasinas. On the shot clock. Rebound Queen. 2 on 3. Queen and derecho. 2 points. 26 all. Gaitan. 15 to shoot. Horario. Tatlong hari. Gaitan. With 8 seconds.
Uy, natumama ng ano, ring ha.
Gaitan, 10 to shoot. Sa ilalim. Good defense by Escasina, save ball.
5 seconds.
5 seconds to shoot. 5 on the shot clock. There is a foul on number 92.
First.
Andaya, that is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded for number 43, Gaitan. Wala ang una ni Gaitan.
Anong sapatos yan? Mismatch na ano?
Second throw is good. 1 out of 2. 30-28 ating official tally with 7 minutes and 9 seconds in the second. Queen. Andaya. Espera. Gandang pasa. Escasinas. 2 points. 30 all. 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the second. Gaitan. Air ball. Espera. Montiliano. Espera. Andaya. Espera fires. Rebound Montiliano. Andaya. With 10 seconds to shoot. Queen fakes. Queen step back. Queen and out. Rebound Horario. Quickly. Turnover. Andaya. Queen. Malakas. Ferrer. Nakakuha ni Espera. Cuy. Rebound. Escasinas.
Lakas nun, no?
But there is a foul downstairs on number 11. Sinong 11, Ref? Ferrer.
Dami 11, dalawa yung 11 dyan. Second.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul, or first team foul.
Dalawa, sir, dalawa. Lagyan mo ng Ferrer yung isa.
Okay na kayo, dalawa na. Ay, bila pa. Kaya pala dalawa.
2 out of 2 for Escasinas, 32 to 30. Dalawa kalamangan ng Brothers.
Lagyan mo lang yan. Ferrer. Daan lang.
Nakawala si Gaitan. Wow, by Gaitan.
Grabe yun.
Upper under.
Binaba ko.
32 all. Montellano, Antaya. Espera. Rebound Gaitan. Gaitan pushes the pace. No. Rebound Montellano. Escasinas. Escasinas. Viene derecho. Change players.
Take side.
Change players.
Ano pangalan niya ng isang 11?
Red! Shots ball!
Official tally, lamang ng dalawa, Brothers, 4 minutes and 28. Ito si Gaitan. Balongos. Number 11.
Tatlo? Ano?
Ito si Casarte.
Tatlo nga yung 11.
Mangabat. Metia. Rebound ni Del Rosario. Gaitan. Gaitan Gaizal. Gaitan scores.
Moral.
34 all. Under 4 minutes. In our second quarter.
Lagyan mo na
Metia
lang
signals the play.
Yung isang 11, lagyan mo na yung 19.
Lazarte.
Saka headband.
With 15 on the shot, mga gaw. Ito si number 11.
Saka shotgun kanina.
To Del Rosario.
Number 43.
Wala. Nakuha number 11. Second try. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Malocos. Malocos. But there is a foul
88.
on number 88, Metia.
Second.
Timeout, Brothers.
88 second.
Metia, that is his second personal foul. First team foul.
Nahirapan yung ano. Nahirapan yung Brothers. May lasag po si Fred na yun eh. Sure ball yung mga yun sa 3 points eh, no? Di ba nag-overtime yan doon sa Elite 40s? 6 lang sila. Yung kulay yung red. 6, 7. Nag-overtime pa sila sa Elite 40s.
Back to the ball game.
May mga lasag na sa 3 points eh.
Two free throws for number 24, Balocos.
So,
2 out of 2 for Balocos.
pumipito pa rin din sa mga ano, sa mga pro.
36-34, lamang naman ng dalawa shots.
So, sabi niya kanina sa akin, yung mga XPBA, mga ano, pumipito doon. XPBA.
10 to shoot. Sakit. Offensive foul. Foul on number 24, Sakit. On number 11 foul.
Pasok, counted.
Basket is good. Sorry. Basket is good for Sakit. First personal for number 11. Second team foul.
Akala ko rin na pencil eh. Basket.
Bonus free throw or number 24 sa team. Basket is good. 37-36, isa naman ang lamang ng Brothers. 2 minutes and 52 in the second period. Malongos.
Medyo bakpas nila.
Sa ilalim. 9 to shoot. Rebound Lazarte. Makabat. Makabat. Satin muscles his way. Yes sir.
Lakas.
39-36 dapat sa tatlo ng mga Brothers.
Bagay siya si Long na magtapat.
Rebound sa team. Lazarte. Makabat. Betia all alone. Kaitan. Malongos. Touchdown, 2 points. 2 minutes. 39-38. Baba sa isa. Eto si Satin.
Dalawa na eh.
But there is a foul. On number 11, that is his second personal foul. Third team foul.
Kasi si Vidal yun.
2 free throws for number 24.
Papalaban din pala yung Titans kasi si
Sa
Vidal yun.
Iya.
Ha?
Bilis na kasi inalit.
Ha? Mabilis na, no? Hindi na bumababa, no?
Second throw is good. 1 out of 2 for Satin, making the tally 40-38. Ito si Kaitan, tinatawid ang bola. 15 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Foul, 21.
But there's a foul on number 21, Vicente. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Gaitan receives the inbound. Cross court. Rebound by Lazarte. Quickly to Makabat. Makabat steps on the gas, goes all the way for 2. 42-38. Angat sa apat. 46 seconds remaining in the second. 15 to shoot. Malongos 2 points. 42-40. Baba sa dalawa. 30 seconds remaining. Satin. Betia. Jumper left bounds, 2 points. 44-40, patay na ang shot clock. 16 seconds remaining. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. What a move for Gaitan.
Galing.
End of the second quarter, official score 44-42 in favor of Brothers.
Kondisyon. Lalaki nitong Brothers, oh. Lalaki ng katawan. Solid din, oh. Bakal ano eh. Mga pangaharang eh. Pwede yung pang-exp lang eh. Panlaban sa PBA. Lalaki tao eh. Hindi ka malaglag to eh. Nakabaw na kung malaglag to ah. Game ito eh.
Back to the ball game, start of the third quarter.
Brothers! Sa inyo! Brothers good!
20 seconds on the shot clock. But there's a foul on number 11.
Yung normal na 11, hindi ko rin.
Yung average na.
Second.
Horario, that is his second personal foul, first team foul. 3 free throws awarded to Valdiser.
Masuk dalawa? Masuk lang.
Last throw for Valdiser. No, 2 out of 3. Rebound Horario. Official score natin is 45 to 42.
Wow!
Latinos 3! 45.
Balis tayo doon.
Ataya. Curry. Rebel. Turnover. Tatlong hari. Eto si number 11. Binigay kay Matiklas.
Wow!
47 or 48 to 45. Lamang naman ang tatlo ang shots after 9 minutes. Serafico with 14 to shoot. Valdiser back to Serafico. 10 to shoot. Antaya all home. Antaya 48 all. We have a ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Tatlong hari. Horario
Pumasok
with
yung
15
goal, dalawa.
seconds on the shot clock. Tatlong hari. Green ball. Last or red ball. Last touch on green. Green ball. Valdiser. Bumukol. Valdiser. 3! 52 to 48. Balik sa apat ang kalamangan. Tatlong hari. 15 to shoot. Matingnas. Malocos. Rebound number 11.
Bossing, sintas!
Rebound. Substitution. Antaya bringing down the basketball. Serafico. Kui at the post. Kui trading away 2 points.
Bravo yung point.
Gaitan. But there's a foul on number 22, hand check foul on Valdiser. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Gaitan being given a pick. Nagano, Montellano, Valdiser, touchdown, 2 points.
Bilis ko lang po, Jay.
48. Angat sa walo. Turnover.
Time out. Shots.
Shots. Official score is 56 to 48 in favor of Brothers with 6 minutes and 23 seconds remaining in the third.
Hindi ko pa tinag sa charge ko eh. 2 weeks na. Okay, 10,000 ay 11 Ang tagal ka malobot, ang tagal din i-charge. Siguro 7 to 8 hours. Pagbabulo. Yun na. Ay! Buti nakalimutan natin mag-interview.
Back to the ball game.
Dala ko pa naman yung ano. Semis na lang. Ay di, ito pwede dito. Ay di, huwag na semis na lang.
Semis na lang kaya sabihin mo nung ano eh.
May dala kasi may mercure pa na siya eh.
Sabihin ko ng ano yun.
First game, what's the interview? May
Andaya.
resto mo din ako din eh. Pang-interview.
Malakas. Rebound number 11.
Parang
Binigay kay number 4.
cellphone lang.
To number 11. Taakaw.
Foul.
But there is a foul
Number 4.
on number 4. Tatlong hari.
Ay, ito oh.
Second.
Tatlong hari. That is his second personal foul, second team foul. Andaya.
Pang-interview ko sila gusto eh.
14 to shoot. Valdiser. Super Mario. Nuggets. Queen. Taakaw number 11. Ito si Orario. 2 on 2. 2 on 2. Orario. But there is a blocking foul on number 7. Montiliano.
7 first.
That is his second personal foul. First team foul.
First pa lang.
First personal foul on Montiliano, second team foul. 2 free throws for Horario.
Sabos. Tayo sab ba?
No good on the second.
Di pumasok, boss.
Andaya. Valdiser. Montiliano.
Jerry.
Sab.
Sab.
Substitution. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 to shoot.
Sab daw tayo.
Laki magnet for Queen. Making a tally 58 to 48. Angat na sa dalawang double digit. 10-point lead. 58-48. Gaitan. Pulls up. No good. Atlomari, second try.
Sab.
Substitution. 11 on the shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot for shots.
Ganda ng rotation itong Brothers. Oh. Kompleto lagi yung pasok ng tao. May point guard. May centro.
5 to shoot.
Good.
2 to shoot. Shot clock violation.
Kompleto lagi sila sa tao.
Lazarte. Sabit. Short. Ito si Orario. Orario. Gaitan with 15 to shoot. Matignas. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Basket is good for Gaitan.
Pumasok pa.
58-50. Ito si Lazarte. Satin. Basket is good for Satin. 60 to 50. Balik sa pool. Del Carmen. Gaitan. Rebound Satin. Espera. Gatira. Back to Espera. 13 to shoot.
Fuck.
Shot for Satin. High looping 2-pointer. 62 to 50. Angat sa isang dosena ang kalamangan ng Brothers. Orario. Rebound is Casinas. Eto na si Espera. Sabin. Rebound si Mario. Gaitan. Gaitan. Matignas receives. 13 to shoot.
Ganda ng
Basket is
pasa.
good from Del Carmen. 62-52.
Ganda ng pasa.
Lazarte. Bagyang nawala ang bola. Siya na rin bumukol. Rebound at lumari. Lead pass. Matignas. Matignas, easy 2 points. 62-54.
Bossy daw ako ah. Condition pa si Bossy niya.
2 minutes. Sapin. 50 to shoot. Escasinas. But there's a foul downstairs. No basket whatsoever. Foul on number 6, Matignas.
Bossy Pelem! Bossy Pelem! Oo.
Rebound. Lazarte. Sapin, free from jumper.
Na-revoke yung license. So wala kang lisensya ang puta.
Ano sa division na rin sa labang sa bote?
Horario.
31.
Foul on number 31, Escasinas. That is his first personal foul, 13 foul.
Tinagyan ng lisensya ang puta.
2 free throws for number 11, Horario.
Tinagyan ng lisensya eh.
Kuha na lang maraming driver.
Puro bulaan ng puta. Walang katapos ang bulaan eh.
Second free throw, Horario, is good as well, 2 out of 2. 62-56.
Wala.
A minute and 9 seconds remaining in our third. Espera. Lazarte. Cross court, Espera, 12 to shoot. Rebound sa team. But there's a foul on number 6, Matignas. That is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Running time tayo! Running time!
14 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Rebound Horario. 2-on-2 break. Horario.
Delikado yun ah. Mama yun.
Foul on number 88, Betillo.
Hindi, yung ulo ka mo.
Ano yung ulo? Dandaan lang,
2 free
dandaan.
throws for number 11, Horario.
Third mid.
Betillo, that is his third personal foul.
Umano ko siguro.
Maya niya maramdaman niya.
Good on the second. 62-57, baba sa 5. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Agaw. Horario. But there is a foul.
44.
Foul on number 44, Espera. Only his first personal foul, penalty.
Delikado yun. Dapat sinalunin na lang. Iiwasan niya yun. Munti kang mamasakot.
Hindi, alam
What on the first is Horario.
pagka side step niya, inagat niya agad.
Kaya nga dapat inanin nila lang.
Tinira na niya.
2 out of 2 for Horario. Last 5 seconds to go. 62-59. Tatlo ang hinahabol ng shots. The end of the third quarter. Official score 62-59 in favor of Brothers.
Dikit lang oh. Tatlo lang oh. Oh, picture daw muna. Picture. Bench, picturean kita, Bench. Para may picture ka. Picturean kita. Kawawa ka, wala. Ikaw yung walang picture eh.
Ikaw pa lagi hindi nakasama eh. Point 5 mo kaya. Pwede naman yun eh.
Ikaw yung walang... Ikaw yung lagi walang picture eh.
Yung pwede nyo, point 5 ka.
Game.
Point 5.
Horario to start the fourth. Matikas, Kumukol.
Bong! Iba na naman.
Rebound Mangabat. Lead pass Valdiser. Valdiser 2 points. Eto na si Horario. Balocos. $14 to shoot. Tatlong hari, 10 to shoot. Tatlong hari, 8 seconds to shoot. Nakagawa ng tuluyan.
Normal foul lang, normal foul.
Normal foul on number 4, tatlong hari. That is his third personal foul, first team foul.
Third.
Andaya. Mangabat. Rebound Matigas. Horario. Nakakuha ni Andaya. Loose ball. Here's Andaya. What a play! Breaking assist to Andaya. 2 points for Valdiser plus a foul.
Fourth na.
On number 4, tatlong hari. That is his fourth personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 22, Valdiser.
Oo. Subs.
Substitution.
Oo.
Player. Ito naman ang sinasabi ko diyan.
Horario.
Idol na idol JM eh.
Rebound and time. Lead pass from Valdiser. Valdiser goes all the way in and out. Eto si Balocos. Horario. Nawala ang bola. Queen with the basketball. Valdiser.
Binali pa eh.
Same ball with 13 seconds on the shot clock.
Binali eh.
Madalas yung bola yata. Hindi nila makuha eh.
Same ball. 12 seconds to shoot.
Oo.
Andaya. Mangabat. Off the glass. 2 points. That is open for Mangabat. Taking the tally 69
Saka na
to
pag pinanood ko
59.
isang beses lang sa Facebook yun, yung FLM, sunod-sunod na po na FLM ang puta. Nakakainis eh.
Sinishare man JM.
Oo, sinishare pa na JM.
12 seconds to shoot.
Tawa yung sinakot niya yung ano.
7 seconds.
Flashback.
Plastic round.
Yung plastic round.
Rebound Andaya.
Basta libre at bilis mag-shoutout eh.
Valdiser, good save.
Ay po siya pinapakita yung mga Chinese yun.
Sub. Di, pasok boss.
Substitution.
Pasok.
Substitution.
Pasok.
Kaya clown na.
Labas yung hello.
Clown na puta. Nahulog pa. Nahulog yung cellphone. Si Casper. Ang daming round ni Casper.
13 to shoot.
Ang lakas siguro ng sunod doon.
Kaitan. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Oo.
Number 11, Naagaw, Mangabat. 101, Mangabat. Lays it up and in. 2 points. 71-59. Dosi na ang kalamangan ng Brothers. Horario kontra Serafico. Binigay kay Gaitan. Gaitan bumukol. Rayban Andaya. Andaya recovers the loose ball. 13 on the shot clock. 9 to shoot. Magandang pasa. 2 points for Queen. 73-59. Angat sa 14 ang kalamangan. 13 on the shot clock. Balos. Balos. 3. 73-62. Baba sa luming isa. Serafico. Vicente. Andaya. Mangabat. Mangabat drives. Queen. Free throw jumper is pure. 75-62.
Sure ball? Grabe.
16 to shoot. No good. Andaya takes care of the basketball. Mangabat.
Tangin na automatic.
Basket is good. 77-62.
Automatic.
Gaitan with 14 to shoot. No, rebound Queen. Sa ilalim, Mangabat. Left leg is good. Timeout shots. Official score is 79-62 in favor of Brothers with 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in the 4th and final quarter.
Sure ball? Oo. Ang kulit ang putik.
Alam niyo mga kaibigan. Nanonood din pala. Nanonood din pala. Gusto ko kasi ma-expose siya eh.
Yung kasal pa naman dati, no? Fake lang, no? Sa Japan. No?
Ganda pa ng babae nun.
Ganda pa naman.
Kasi sa Japan eh. Japan, ulong pa na.
Yan ang ticket. By flight daw siya. Putang ina naman pinakita yung ticket. Putang ina hindi pala. Ano?
Del Rosario.
Ibang bansa.
Turnover.
Sa Pilipinas lang din pala. Putang yapang ko eh.
Ito si Lazarte. Bringing down the basketball. Playing the point guard duties for Brothers. Binigay Serafico. Serafico, pumukol. Serafico! 3! 82-62. Angat na sa 20 ang kalamangan ng Brothers. With 4 minutes and 14 in our 4th quarter. Rebo. Last touch on red. Serafico. Wisely backing pedals. Binigay kay Lazarte. Sabin. 14 to shoot. But there is a foul. On number 5. Moncal. Moncal only his first personal foul. 13 foul. Naagaw. Tatlong haris. Gaitan. Gaitan. Lays it up and in. 82-64. Baba sa 18. Ito na si Serafico. Satin. Paso si Sway. Yes, sir. 84-64.
Ang laki.
Gaitan.
Pag-ubarang ka nun, di ba? Tatarakan ka nun. Tatarakan ka sa gilid.
14 to shoot. Serafico. Monteliano easy to go. Under 3 minutes remaining. But there is a foul on number 31, Escasinas.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul. 14 to shoot. Mopal. Mopal. Short, rebound Escasinas. Monteliano. Monteliano is gone, 2 points. 88-64.
Diyan na si Gerson. Si Gerson na dyan. Bossing. Satin, boss. Ayaw, di na malamig. Sayang.
Satin.
Nararo. Oras, di tumatakbo. Nanonood dyan ng FLM eh.
Mopal. 15 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Escasinas. Serafico 3-on-2 break. Serafico.
Ganda ng pasa.
Satin.
Sayang.
Same ball.
Ganda na. Gusto talaga maniko muna bago mag-shoot eh. Pag libre hindi na shoot eh. Pag may siko, tumatarap pa siko, nasa-shoot.
Lazarte. 10 to shoot. Rebound, Escasinas. Satin, all alone. Nothing but that. 90-64. Naagaw pa, Monteliano. Second try. Wala pa rin. Pangatlo. Basket. 92-64. Gaitan. Eto na si Serafico. Behind the headpass. Monteliano 2. 94-64. Isang unang hinahabol. Last 60 seconds. 15 to shoot. Del Rosario off the glass for 2. 94-66. Naagaw pa ni Mopal. Mopal. Tatlong hari. Rebound Escasinas. Ito na si Serafico. Looking at the clock is Serafico. From the parking lot. Same spot. Serafico. 3. Last 15 seconds.
Seven, 68.